Hey guys, today I want to talk about the roller coaster ride that is affiliate marketing. Hey guys, Gord here. Okay, so I want to talk a little bit today about the roller coaster ride that is affiliate marketing. And what do I mean by that? Well, if you've just started this or you're somewhere through it, you'll understand what I mean. It's an up and down, like a roller coaster of emotions and just how you're getting on and feeling with it. So in the beginning stages, if you've never done affiliate marketing before, you're going to come into it and you're going to be on a nice kind of level playing field. You're going to be hyped and feeling good about it. You've been doing a little bit of research. You see lots of people making hundreds of thousands of dollars, some making $10,000, $20,000 a month. And that sounds amazing. Who doesn't want to earn that kind of money? So you go headstrong into it and you start doing more research. You spend weeks and weeks researching, getting more and more higher and higher with how you're feeling about doing this, and then you take the plunge. You find what you think is going to be that first product that you want to sell. So you're quite high at the moment. This is great, enthusiasm's good, and you're ready to go. So what then happens is, if you've got no following and you've never done this before, you get this product and you've probably been sold it on the fact that other people are making thousands and thousands from selling this product. So at least you know the product does work. So here you are on your high. So what happens at this point is you then start promoting this product. Now there's only two ways you can promote: free or paid traffic. Naturally, most people gravitate towards free traffic, and the big one at the minute is putting posts up on Facebook money making groups. Let me tell you this, that is soul destroying. Everybody, or most people on there, are looking for get rich quick, and they don't want to pay any money. It's not an easy place to try and make money, even though you may have been told that it is. So a week or two will go by and you may have made a sale, you may not, but you've still got a little bit of enthusiasm. So you're still up there, you're coming down your high a little bit as you realise, hang on, this isn't going quite as I'd hoped. But anyway, you keep pushing. The free traffic just isn't coming in. People just aren't interested. They don't know who you are. So why are they going to buy a product from you? So somebody tells you, or you do your research and they say you need to do paid marketing. So you have a stab at paid marketing and you go down the Facebook ads route because that's what everybody tells you to do. What then happens is you're high, you get a little bit high, think, this is what I need to do. And then you spend a fortune on Facebook ads and realise that you're spending a lot more on the ads than you can sell your product for. In fact, sometimes you might spend $200, $300, $400, $500 and have only made $100 or so back. At this point, your mindset comes crashing down. So you're a bit of a low at this point. You have to stop advertising if you haven't got the budget. So you kind of now at this point where you think, this doesn't work, it's just not working, I've been scammed, or it's just not a good product, or whatever. If you've run out of advertising budget and you've got no following to do free adverts, then you are stuck. What can you do? You can keep trying to promote that product very slowly, but without a massive amount of traffic coming, you're highly unlikely to sell anything. So you're now at a low point. Now this can go on for a while until you get to the point where you think, right, this product's not working, I'm seeing people around me doing well, I'm feeling down, why is it not working for me? I'm just not good at this. You start feeling more sorry for yourself and get into this rut. A few weeks may go past and you pack it in. That's it, you're done with that product. But you're determined to be an affiliate marketer. Online marketing is what you want to do, and you want to make that $100,000 a year. So the natural thing is you're going to go out and you're going to start researching again. So you start coming back up the roller coaster onto a high. You keep looking around, you watch hours of YouTube footage, you download all sorts of free programs to help you. You think you've got it sorted, and the same thing happens again. You invest money in a program, you don't have traffic, it doesn't work, and you're coming crashing back down to reality. So what then? You'll either give up and that'll be it, and you'll tell your friends and family and other people online that affiliate marketing doesn't really work. It only works for the few lucky people. Or you'll dig in and you'll try again. Now, at some point you are going to find something that actually resonates with you and really does make you feel like you could promote this product. That's what happened with me. And if I tell the truth here, I'm actually telling my story here. So a few months ago, I found a company, a product that I really like the sound of. Did my research and went through the program and decided to join. And I'm still with it today, a few months down the line. And it's really changed the way I do things, because they're not pushing how should I say this? They're very, very much help with your mindset and letting you know that this isn't a fast get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long process to get through before you're making that kind of money, 6 figures a year. Don't expect to do it quick. So once you find a program that you're sure is gonna work, so once you find a program you're sure you're happy to promote and it's gonna work for you, and you can see others are doing it and it's working for them, and there's a good community there and everybody's helping each other out, you're then back at the top of that roller coaster. While you're there, you get everything in place you need, you get everything going, it's all looking good, you've been taught properly how to do adverts, you've taught properly how to get free traffic, so you're riding high at the top of that roller coaster. This time you may be at the roller coaster a little bit longer, at the top of the roller coaster a little bit longer, but eventually you're gonna start coming back down the roller coaster, as even the best program or the best product in the world still gonna take time for you to build an audience or to master Facebook ads or Google ads, and you're gonna have to spend a lot of money to do that, and you must be in the mindset and be ready and prepared to be able to put that money into the adverts before you can start seeing results. So what will happen is you'll keep pushing, and then you'll start coming back down the roller coaster, starting to think, is this gonna work? Is it happening again? Is it not? Am I not good at this? Can I not do this? But eventually, providing you keep going and you keep your mindset right, that you've been told that it takes time, so long as that's your mindset, this is not a quick thing, it could take a year, it could take 2 years before you make money. Keep plugging away, keep building your free traffic, when you've got spare money, use it on advertising, and then one day you'll get your first little sale and your roller coaster ride will start turning back up. Now, as that sale comes in, it gives you hope. It changes you've kind of been through such a long roller coaster now that you know that you're there, and you've got everything in place. You just keep doing what you're doing until the next sail comes in, which will take you slightly higher up that roller coaster. Now, that's as far as I can go, because at the moment I'm halfway up that roller coaster. I'm nowhere near the top, and at some point that roller coaster will level out at the top, and you'll just ride it and ride it and ride it. But it's a long, long, long way up to the top of that roller coaster, and it will take a while for you to get there. So my mindset is I'm probably on that quarter of the way up that. I've got 3/4 of the way to go, but I'm slowly clawing my way up until I get to the top. And I'm at that point now where my mindset is I'm not looking down, I'm not looking back. There's only one way to get off this roller coaster, and it's by going to the top. So that's it, guys. I kind of just wanted to get across to you that if you're coming into affiliate marketing, if you're new to this, that it's not going to be an easy ride. It's very up and very down. You'll have lots of highs and lots of lows, probably more lows than highs, but eventually you'll get to a point where you are on the last climb and you can see the top and you know the direction of the tracks and you know how to get there. It's just a matter of putting in the work, keep plugging away and getting to the top. Okay guys, I hope that was useful. If you like that video, hit the subscribe button, and if you could, hit the like button because it helps. You could also hit the bell so that you get notifications when I post a new video. Okay, we'll see you next time.